Hello my dear student, welcome back to Inspire Academy. This video is very important for speaking English because today I am going to share with you my daily routine. If you want to tell your daily routine in English, you have to follow this video and watch this video till end. So without wasting time, let's start. So I wake up early in the morning at 5 o'clock. Then I drink warm water and exercise for some time. At 6 o'clock, I brush my teeth and have a bath. After having bath, I take tea and start making lunch to my children. At 7:30 o'clock, I make breakfast for my family. At 8:30 o'clock, we take breakfast together and get ready for going to shop. At 10 o'clock, I reach my shop and start my work like distributing work to my employees, attending customers and all. Then at 1 o'clock, I take lunch and again start my work. At 4 o'clock, I take tea with some snacks and start my work again and again. At 7:30 o'clock, I get ready for going to home. At 8:30 o'clock, I reach my home and have a rest for some time. After that, I make dinner for my family. At 9 o'clock, we take dinner together while watching TV. Sometimes I shoot videos. After that, I watch my mobiles for some time and go to bed at 10 o'clock. This is my routine. If you want to tell your daily routine, you have to follow this video and make your daily routine to your own. So if you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.